Hi everybody, John Malinowski here. Just want to cover how you would sign up a business account. Now keep in mind there's two types of accounts with the CustomerAdvantage.com. There's the business account, which is specifically for businesses to sign up with and create an account where they can upload all the pertinent information and data that we will need to build their web page and create their promotion. If a business is not going to promote their business through our program, they don't need to create a business account. And the other type of account is the account you most likely have, which is your subscriber account. That's the account you sign up for that allows you to share the CustomerAdvantage.com with other people, and it also allows you to get the emails on a daily basis that give you the special offers, and it tracks commissions and so on. The business account, again, is simply for a business only to sign up and create an account where they'll have a back office where they can upload photos, information pertinent to their offer, and it also links that business to the referring member so that the proper person gets credit for that. So when you're ready to sign up a business, you have a business that wants to feature their page and their promotion with us, what you'll do is you'll create an account for them, but the first thing to know is who you want to get credit for that promotion, because there's the 2% override that somebody's going to get paid on that, and that needs to go to the proper person. The way that we do that is you go to the site, the main page, the CustomerAdvantage.com, and of course you log in with your site ID, or the person that's going to be getting credit for signing up that business. You sign up with their site ID. So in this case, for this example, we've got this amazing person, John Doe. It's amazing. This person's everywhere. I see them. They're so active out there in the world. But yeah, John Doe is part of our program. So John Doe signs in, and you want to check, of course, your page. Make sure you got the right one, John Doe there. And you'll see up here there's this simple link that says Feature My Business. Now when you're ready to sign up a business owner to feature their business, they simply click here. And I want to point out a simple thing here. The site, let me stop this. The site basically is designed to have this form on the right hand side. Now if you've already talked to a business about featuring their company and promoting themselves through our program, you've explained all the details to them, they do not need to fill this form out. You don't need to fill this out. This is simply here for somebody that you may have introduced the program to that maybe you didn't even know they owned a business and they decided they wanted to feature their business. They would fill this out, and this form here on this page, on Feature My Business page, will be linked to you, and it sends that form to you to let you know that they're interested. It's up to you to contact them and start talking to them more details about how the promotion works and how they can sign up for that. Now once you're ready to have a business sign up, and for example if you just went in and you started talking to a business right up front and they decided they want to promote with us, they do not need to fill this form out. You can just simply take them right into your page, or the person page that's going to be linked to them and getting credit for promoting their business and bringing them on board. You take them to their page and you check this little box here, this little green arrow. Just click the check box there, and that will take you to another form page that is a secured page, and the only person that needs to be going here is the business owner that wants to promote their business. And it's the same username and password for everyone that goes here that has a business or wants to create a business account. The username is business and the password is Stampede, and you simply enter that in and you'll be presented with a form here. Now this form is the form for the business owner to fill out. It has their access information. This is their username, their password to get into their back office, and they want to remember this name because the username is what allows them to log in to their account at the CustomerAdvantage.com. So they want to definitely note that and remember that. And then of course they have their first name, last name, all the pertinent information there. Their email. These are the critical things that have to be filled out right here. The email has to be unique. It cannot be the same email that's already used in the system. In other words, if they've created a subscriber account already with using a certain email, they cannot use that email again. It has to be absolutely unique. There's only one email per account in the CustomerAdvantage.com system. So this has to be a unique email. If they don't have a unique email, they've already used their primary email as a subscriber or to create a membership in the CustomerAdvantage.com, they can go to Google or somewhere and create a free account just temporarily, and we can figure the rest out later. But they need a unique email address, so they'll need to put that in here. The rest of this stuff here is regarding their promotional page. and this is the contact person, the name of the person that we would contact. This is the person that the customeradvantage.com will be talking to about this promotion, and any details that we need to get, we want to contact that person. So that person's name, their phone number, how to get a hold of them, and then of course there's all the details, and you can read through this. It's pretty explanatory. You'll see there's the offer title, the description of the offer, the retail value, special price, 50% or better discount, so what that price would be, and then of course the savings, terms and conditions, so on. And again, anything they don't know at this point, they can log into their back office once their account is created, and they can go ahead and upload photos. They can put all this information in there and get all the pertinent information uploaded at that time. The main thing is to realize that they need to fill this account out, and it's critical they have a unique ID here, and you know there's it's going to be a unique username. Of course, it tests it out. So let's go ahead and create that account. Let's see. And I'm just going to skip through this stuff here. Okay, so there's that, and then of course there's a promotional page. I won't fill this out now, but you can. It's pretty explanatory. You can fill that out. Once they've got all this information in here, they go ahead and hit sign up now, create their account. There you go. So now it tells them to check their email. Their account status is pending, and it's important to realize they will get an email. It should happen rather quickly. Okay, and if they haven't, they can either contact you, which if you're the one that's referred them, your email address will be here. If it doesn't come through right away, they want to get in touch with you and let you know, because we need to check on that and see what's going on there. So now at this point, what they want to do is go to their email and check their email to confirm their account, and we'll do that right now. Okay, so you see here the email came through. It just says hello, you know, first name, and then please click the following link to confirm the registration and create the account. And they simply click that, and it'll bring them to the next page, which confirms their account. Welcome to the team. Tells them their account is active. Basically, that's it. So they're ready to go. Now at this point, they can log in. So they can go ahead and go to the back office here, and they can log right in. Now once they're inside the site here, you'll see they have their tabs up top. The place where they'll go to set up their info based on their promotion is right under the account here, and I believe it's under my profile. Then you'll see there's the merchant page. You simply click that, and here's all the information they can fill out if they haven't already. If they filled out in the form, it'll be all here. If they want to have their photos, they can upload those here. Pretty simple to do, you know, just top page photo. They click browse, and they of course browse around, find the photo they want to upload, and then they go from there. Just, you know, add it in, open, and it puts the link in there. Once they get all this information all filled out, they can hit save. Make sure they hit save, and that will upload everything, put it into the database, and then of course we'll have access to that now. And this is all the promotional information regarding their page, and anything else we need, we'll definitely contact them. But that's really as hard as it gets for them. That's all they have to do. The other thing they can do is they want to fill out the promotional agreement. Now this is a special agreement that is it's a legal agreement that just outlines all the details of everything. Once they do that, they'll have to, there's an email that'll get sent to them with the code, and they'll need to get that code to put it in there. This just confirms their email address and that they are who they say they are. So coming back into the email here, you'll see, and your email might look a little different. You might have Outlook or whatever. This is just a little email account I have online. There's the welcome aboard letter, tells them all the information, actually tells them the details of how to change their information in the site, gives them the links that they need to contact you or anything else they need to log in. There's a login, it has their username as well, and basically there's all the information for that. So then they also, once they've filled out that form, they've started the process there, and this will confirm that they are actually on this account. It has their ID code here, which will have to go into the form. So they simply take that, they can select that, and then select copy. So they select copy on that, and if they didn't close their browser window that had that form open, which I didn't, I'll bring that right in here. You'll see here, and they can just go in here and paste it right there and click validate. Once they click validate, they'll be presented with a form. And I'm not going to do that. Now keep in mind, it costs us money for each one of these forms, so don't go creating a whole bunch of these unnecessarily. Don't do a test one or anything. And if you're curious about what this looks like, we can definitely get you the form to take a look at. But basically, it's just a legal agreement that outlines all the details, so there's no gray area. Everybody's in understanding of exactly how the deal works, where the money goes, how it's collected, all that, and basically just make sure that everybody's on the same page, so everybody is completely happy because there's no misunderstanding or anything. So that's really it. It's that simple. So they have that in their back office there, and once they've created that, they'll be able to access that form anytime in the future as well through their email address and so on. So that's it. That's as simple as it gets. Basically, they have an account now. They'll be able to modify their data once we have that info in the back office and the proper forms filled out. We'll be able to go ahead and start creating their account, and they'll be ready to go. So that's it. Talk to you soon.